Hi, it's Dr. Amit Agarwal, and welcome to the Cure Your Mind online course. Thank you so much for having me a part of your healing journey. I'm really excited actually to share all the information I have to make life easier for you, to make it easier for you to really cure your emotions or treat other patients with anxiety and depression if you are a doctor watching this. Right? So we're not suppressing symptoms, we're actually using herbs, homeopathy, and nutrition to resolve these disturbances completely and nourish your body back into balance. And the other things you have to think about when you are trying to get happier, when you're dealing with emotional issues, of course, is are you eating right? Right? Are you eating inflammatory foods? How's your balance of nutrition? Are you having enough protein, or are you just having snacking on carbohydrates, too many pastries and sugars and coffees? Toxins, of course, such as mercury, lead, too much copper, they will interfere with your nerves in your brain and different organs in your system, and that will affect, of course, how your mood is. Blood sugar imbalance, hormonal imbalance, the medications you're on, all these things will affect your hormones and your brain chemicals. So if you are on medication, really think: are you treating these root causes? Yeah, are you looking at these other areas in your life, or are you ignoring them and just depending on medication? And if you're depending on only medication without treating these root areas in your life, you're going to become sicker, right? Because if your liver is toxic and you don't detoxify your liver, or you have too much inflammation in your gut, you're going to get other diseases like fibroids, like arthritis, like asthma, and degenerative diseases, and even possibly cancer. Sometimes some people get it from an imbalance or too much toxicity in their body. So don't only rely on medications all the time. Talk to your doctor as well and saying, let's treat the root cause. And that's what this course is about, is really to get you there to the root cause and give you the tools to be more empowered in your healthcare. The other things that affect your emotions, and this is really key, fundamental to understand, because if you're on medication all the time and you're not treating these key areas, you're doing yourself a disservice, right? Because these areas which I'm talking about, which is your brain, your thyroid, your liver function, your liver and your digestive system and your adrenal glands, they affect your overall health, right? And depression, anxiety, emotional symptoms, as well as physical symptoms of illness like joint pain, asthma, I look at these as gifts. Gifts because they are symptoms telling you that there's something going on in the body, there's something wrong in the body which needs to come more into balance. So don't be afraid of symptoms. Use them as guidelines to say, to investigate what is happening in my body? What do we need to fix in order to achieve optimal well being and become happy again? So, all these factors are really important to think about when you're dealing with emotional health. And I'm excited to walk you through really the most holistic approach that I have seen or I can develop right now to help people overcome stress, negative beliefs, and negative trauma, and also heal their body holistically.